I am Mr. Chaya Nath, worked as a teacher at Central Government School. See, in this house, we have totally ground floor, a big house. First floor, we have 2 houses. There people are living. So, a total of nearly 20 people are in this building. So, after installation of this, I have never faced any water shortage for all this. And no one has complained about water shortage so far. So all are happy. And we have a very big span, around 3000 square feet area is there on the top. So all the water will be stored into my borewell. Rainy filter, after this installation, my water wastage is not at all there. All the rainwater is stored. That itself is a very good thing for me. See, so for 5 years over, durability, I think it is good. Still it will work for many years. Durability wise and efficiency wise, efficient, it is very efficient as I have noticed, because we have made another household things. Durability is very poor. Maybe within 2-3 years I have to replace. But in this case, already 5 years over, I have not faced a single problem in a single day. Just open this and take this filter out. See, once in 2 months or once in 3 months, this is enough. Quarterly cleaning is more than sufficient. And again you reset it. That's all, over. I have already influenced my friends, my colleagues, and already they have installed it. And I have no hesitation in recommending this because it is functioning well.